Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming device compatibility and getting credentials ready. First, power the camera and ensure its firmware is current. Outdated firmware blocks onboarding. Next, make sure your phone is on the same network you'll use for setup and that you know the exact SSID and password. If your router broadcasts separate too, 4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, choose 4 GHz for most ADT cameras because it has better range. Once done, open the ADT app and sign in to start the change process. You put the camera into setup mode next and follow the ADT app flow. Press the camera's setup button or hold until the LED blinks, which tells the device to broadcast its temporary network. Then, in the app, choose Change Network and either scan the on-device QR code or type the camera ID. This links the camera to your account. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are enabled because the app uses them to detect the camera. If the app asks, select the new SSID and enter its password to proceed. You complete the process by waiting for the app to confirm the camera is online and syncing. Once the LED shows a steady or designated online color, open Live View and trigger motion to verify alerts and recordings. If it doesn't connect, reboot the router and camera, then try again. Intermittent interference or channel congestion often causes failures. As a key tip, if problems persist, temporarily disable guest networks and ensure your router uses WPA2. Some ADT cameras won't connect to open or enterprise networks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.